Hey everyone, and welcome back to FOD, and today, it's summertime. 4th of July is coming up. I mean, for Americans it's Independence Day, so I'm American, so I'm gonna make some 4th of July popsicles. You don't have to do this 4th of July, you can do any type of color or whatever you want, but we're doing red and blue. Sadly, there's no white, Jello, or Kool-Aid we could find. So we're making popsicles because it's summer and it's hot, and popsicles are good. So this recipe calls for 1 package of Kool-Aid, like these packages, and then 1 box of Jello. But since we have half-size molds and we're splitting it in half because we're doing 2 colors, we have 1/4 a box of Jello and 1/4 a packet of Kool-Aid and 1/4 a cup of sugar. I mean, I forgot to say this, but the recipe has 1 cup of sugar. So first, science. This is a food science channel. So Jello is not Jello, gelatin. Like when it's first made from animal tissue, then it's a protein, and gelatin is actually the only protein powerful enough or strong enough. I don't really know how to put it. I just say powerful. It's the only protein powerful enough to thicken a liquid. No other proteins can do that. So that's kind of cool. Not really much other science, but so yes. These popsicles, they're different. They're not necessarily healthier, but anyway, so let's get right into making it. Okay, first we're going to add our Kool-Aid and gelatin and sugar into this, the empty one. It doesn't have any water in it yet, so I'll start by adding Kool-Aid, because who can resist that thing?
What flavors are you
Then we're gonna add the gelatin powder. This is blueberry. Yeah, berry blue. It's blue. And then we're gonna add sugar. 1/4 a cup of sugar. So remember, I already said this, but it's 1/4 a packet of Kool-Aid, 1/4 a box of gelatin, and 1/4 a cup of sugar for each color. Okay, now we're going to add the cold water to this, and the hot water, the hot water, and we're gonna mix it until it's dissolved.
boiling water?
Boiling water. It's kind of hot. That's hurting. Okay. That turned blue instantly. Cool. I'm gonna mix it. Smells very artificial. Yeah, that smells artificial. Stirring it until it's dissolved. I mean, you can hear some grains in there, so I'm just gonna keep stirring it. And then once it's completely dissolved, we're gonna add our cold water and then immediately pour it into the mold before it thickens. You can't leave it there. I mean, of course it's not gonna thicken immediately. It usually takes 4 or 6 hours. It takes a long time. Okay, that's dissolved, I guess. I can't really tell because it's really blue, but it doesn't sound very grainy in there anymore. So I think I'm gonna add the cold water, and then
How much?
1/2 a cup. 1/2 a cup of hot water and 1/2 a cup of cold water. Not boiled water, that would be weird though. Okay, I'll just get this over here so it's ready. I'm only gonna fill it up about halfway, hopefully.
Put your cold water.
So I'm gonna put in the cold water. And then I'm going to pour this into the mold halfway.
That's
That one was kind of a lot. Ah, heck. The cool thing about these popsicles is that they don't really drip as much and they're not as crystally. Like, they're not very crystally. Running out. That one. Okay. Well, we might have a little ice cube for someone to eat. Maybe it could be like a taste test popsicle at the end. Okay, now we're just gonna do the same thing for the red. Wait, oh yeah, not yet. We're gonna have to freeze these first. So we're gonna stick these in the freezer until they're frozen, and then we'll do the same thing for the red. Okay, so now our blue ones have been freezing for a while. We don't have them or else they're gonna melt. But now we're gonna do the same thing for our red. We add our 4th packet of Kool-Aid powder, our 4th box of Jello, and this is our red one. This is strawberry. And then our 4th cup of sugar. And then add our boiling hot water, half a cup, like last time. Ouch! Oh, that's super dark. Oh, you can totally smell that that's fake strawberry. Smells kind of like a Jolly Rancher. Okay, now you mix it until dissolved again. It's pretty much the exact same thing. And then we'll have the blue molds up here, and then we'll just pour those right in. And then we'll stick our sticks on the top. Yeah, that's dissolved. Probably good enough. Now I'm gonna add the cold water. Well, it's not necessarily like ice cold, it's just half a cup. It's just kinda cold. Okay, and now we'll add this to the blue, and then we'll stick our sticks in.
Alright, continue on. I'll say.
That's kind of a lot. I mean, if you fill it up too much when you stick the sticks in, then it'll go splorp everywhere. Mostly blue, but partly red popsicles. Delicious. Oh, the blue is so frozen, it's kind of hard to stick that in there. There we go. There's going to be more red left than blue because I accidentally filled the blue more than halfway, but... Okay, those are our 2 taste test ones then. Okay, now I almost forgot to stick the sticks in. Stick. I was sticking it upside down. Oh, that was hilarious. We don't really need a stick in the taste test one, though. Okay, now we're gonna let those freeze, and then we'll come back, we'll do our taste test, and then that's pretty much it. The popsicles are fully frozen now. Yay. I've been taking little licks of this. It's actually really good, and If they don't come out of the mold really easily, like especially with our mold, they didn't come out very well, so we had to rub them out under hot water. That helps, and then you can just pull it out. I think these are like way better than store-bought popsicles. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make popsicles with us, and this has been